y'all, Bridget Bartley here with visionmarketinganddesign.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a video background for your Zoom meetings. Super simple and easy and free. But first, if you're interested in starting an online business or learning to promote your business online without being spammy or cold messaging, go to my website, visionmarketinganddesign.com, and join my free mentorship program where I'm going to give you access to all the tools and training that help me quit my full-time job in just 7 months. Now, let's create an awesome video background for your Zoom meetings. So the tool we're going to use today is called Canva. It's canva.com. You can create a free account at canva.com. What we're going to do is simply type in the search box, Zoom virtual background, and then choose a blank template. So we're going to click on the left-hand side where you see videos. You can also add photos or text or elements, anything that you want to. But for a video background, we're just going to choose a video. Now I'm just going to choose this video here just for the example. And I'm going to make sure that this video lines up with the template, like so. Now if I want to add my logo to this video, I could simply come over to my logos. I'll choose one here. I can put this up in the corner. And that's it. Now I just need to call this virtual background. And then I'm going to download. And it downloads as an MP4 file. So once we download, we need to open up Zoom. Now I like to download Zoom to my computer. I think the settings are a lot easier to navigate. I use Zoom a lot, so it's just something that I find is easier to just have it downloaded and on my taskbar here. But once you're in the Zoom software, you need to go up to your image picture here and then just choose settings. Go to virtual background. And then you're just going to choose the little plus sign here and then add video. Now I'm going to search for the video I just created. And then you can see here that the video is actually uploaded and selected right now. So if I wasn't using my camera, you could see here in the image what it would look like. Now you do not have to have a green screen at all when you use the video, but you do need to have a blank background so that you can block out the color. Okay? And that's it. That's all you have to do. So if you got some value from this, please like and subscribe and join my free mentorship program where you can get access to all the tools and training that I use to grow and scale my business online. And I'll see you on my next video.